Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to backtest right here in NinjaTrader. And if you want to backtest, the first thing that we are going to do is disable right here the simulation. So we click here at connections and do disconnect, and then we do yes. But be careful, it's also telling you have one active order, you have one open position. Do you really want to disconnect? So yeah, be careful because he will close those trades, I think. And then we click here on yes because on my simulation account it doesn't matter. Right now we click on connections and go to playback. And then right now this is where the magic happens because we need some historical data. So what we're going to do right here, select historical. For example, go to Bitcoin US dollars, last, and then we do minute, and then let's select right here March. And then let's do March the 31st. And then we select something right here. Doesn't matter exactly what, but you can decide for yourself which one you want to select. Then we go right here to the instrument and then we select right here Ethereum US dollars. And then what we're going to do is we select right here April the 1st. So that is a date that is behind this date right here. And then we do download. And then right now he's downloading the data. And now if you click right here on continue, he will load here the chart with the data that we selected. So what we're going to do right now is you see right here a playback. And you need to select right here historical or market replay, what you want to do. And then what you need to keep in mind that the date right here is April the 1st and the end is right here April the 9th. And that is a time duration of 8 days. So it's not that much. So if we are holding it right here on this time frame, you see that he's counting right here in seconds. So there won't be a lot of changes right here. So if you want to put this a little bit up, we click right here on the multiplier. And then right now, if you're waiting, you see right here that we can backtest right here. So you need to play a little bit with the time frame on the chart, the time here that you selected, and the multiplier right here for the time. But this is right here how you can backtest right here in NinjaTrader. If you have any questions about this backtest, please comment that below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.